Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we are talking about the mucous membrane. The mucous membrane is the name given to the lining of organs or passage that communicate the surface of body. A mucous membrane consists essentially of a layer of epithelium supported by a layer of connective tissue, the lamina propria. Smooth muscles called the muscularis mucosa is sometimes present in connective tissue. A mucous membrane may or may not secrete mucus on its surface. Serous membrane. Serous membranes lines the cavities of the trunk and are reflected onto the mobile viscera lying within these cavities. They consist of a smooth layer of mesothelium supported by a thin layer of connective tissue. The serous membrane lining the wall of a cavity is referred to as a parietal layer, and that covering the viscera is called the visceral layer. Narrow slit-like interval that separate these layers from the pleura, pericardial and peritoneal cavities and contain a small amount of serous liquid. The serous exudate. The serous exudate lubricate the surface of membranes and allow the two layers to slide radially on each other. The mesenteric ommenta and serous ligaments are described. The parietal layer of serous membrane is developed from the somatopleure inner cell layer of mesoderm and is richly supplied by spinal nerves. It is therefore sensitive to all common sensations such as touch and pain. The visceral layer is developed from the splanchnopleure inner cell layer of mesoderm and is supplied by autonomic nerves. It is insensitive to touch and temperature but very sensitive to stretch. देन यहाँ पर इधर डायग्राम से आपको नज़र आ रहा है, ऊपर सीलरी दिखाई हुई है, देन जो है आई, लैक्रिमल ग्लैंड, सब मैंडिबुलर, लिंगुअल एंड सैलिवरी ग्लैंड, पैरोटिड एंड ऑल द ऑर्गन्स. ये सारे ऑर्गन्स भी यहाँ पर नज़र आ रहे हैं और यहाँ पर जो है लेवल्स भी शो हो रहे हैं. तो यहाँ तक अगर आपको इस हवाले से कोई भी सवाल हो तो आपने ज़रूर हमसे पूछ लेना है, आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे. तब तक के लिए इजाज़त चाहूँगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़.